Who is Kurt Russell? Let's know about him. Do you know how Kurt Russell became a Hollywood icon? If you don't, so watch full video for his life career history. Kurt Russell, 1980th century Hollywood icon, a decade of action and adventure. The 1980th century were a golden era for Kurt Russell, a decade that transformed him from a former Disney child star into one of Hollywood's coolest and most dependable leading men. Russell kicked off the decade in style with Used Cars in 1980th century, a dark comedy that showed off his sharp timing and charisma. But it was 1981 century Escape from New York that really set the tone, as Snake Plissken, the one-eyed anti-hero with a gravelly voice and no-nonsense attitude. Russell created one of cinema's most iconic characters. Directly by John Carpenter, the film became a cult classic and marked the start of legendary collaboration. That same Russell Carpenter duo struck again in The Thing 1982, a chilling sci-fi horror flick that was misunderstood at the time but later became a genre masterpiece. Russell's performance as R.J. McGrady was intense, grounded, and unforgettable. In 1983, he took on a very different challenge, portraying Elvis Presley in a TV movie simply titled Elvis. It was a bold move, but Russell nailed it, earning an Emmy nomination and even impressing fans of the king himself. Then came Big Trouble in Little China in 1986, a wild mix of martial arts, fantasy, and comedy, where Russell played the clueless but lovable Jack Burton. Though not a box office hit at the time, it has since become a cult favorite. By the late 80th century, Russell had proven his range. He could do action, horror, comedy, and drama, and he made it look effortless. Films like Overboard 1987, co-starring real-life partner Goldie Hawn, shown off his softer side and comedic chops. Kurt Russell's 1980th century run was not just about hits, it was about establishing a unique screen persona, rugged, witty, and always a little rebellious. He was not your typically action star, he was cooler, more relatable, and by the end of the decade, Kurt Russell had become a true Hollywood legend.